These are our friends. These are the birds. This is. You're messing my screen up, you little shit. Come here. Whoa. Whoa. We're gonna go tiger? Oh. Oh. Oh, little tiger. Oh, little tiger. Little tiger. Oh. Little, little, little tiger in your body. This bald-headed lady? Non bald-headed? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, now I'm bald. What's up? Who wants out of here? Who want to come out? You want to come out? I'll be Shaggy Face Guy. Thank you. Thank you. Come here. Come on, sit up. Don't peck on me. Relax. Relax. What are you doing? Are you getting big? Look at that cat. You see that cat? Don't let her eat you. Don't let her do it. She wants to. Probably just play. She eats good. Those are chickens. That's what they do. You got your little tail feathers coming in? Oh, look at your little tail feathers. You're going to have little tail feathers. Quit bullying everybody. You're the rooster. Come here, rooster. Hey, why are you bullying everybody? Why are you bullying everybody? Look at him. This one's the bully. Quit bullying everybody. You always jumping around, jumping on your friends' heads. Chill out. Don't do that. Okay? Chill out. Chill out a little bit. Okay? Can you chill out? Chill out a little bit. You ain't gotta run away. You okay? You alright? Chill out a little bit. You're getting too crazy. You're getting too crazy. That's all I'm saying. You little crazy little motherfucker. Where you going? You taking off? I see your little. That's your little thing coming in on your thing. Your little spike. You're gonna be a rooster, right? What are you doing? Stretch them out. Stretch your little wings out. They gotta stretch them out so they grow. Oh, now you're gonna sit down and be cool? Come on. Step up. Look. Hang on. There you go. There you go. Why you ain't got as much tail feathers? Your tail feathers is so small. Here. How about you? You next? Who's next? The gray one? Yeah, you next. What's up? Don't be scared. What do you think, Gina? What's up? You got big tail feathers. Why you got bigger tail feathers than everyone else? The tail feathers are coming in pretty good. Except on the rooster one. The one I think is a rooster. I don't know if it's a rooster or not. The little thing on its face makes me think it's a rooster. This one over here is the next scariest one. Look out. You come here. You so scary. You need to come on. Come on, get some love. Come on, you're too scary. Hey, where you going? Relax. Relax. Look at him. You alright? These old birds. Smell them? You want to look? Come here. I know you're curious. You want to know what the hell that thing is. What is it? It's a bird. Look. Smell it. Chicken. Pet. Don't kill them. No, don't lick your lips. What do you think? Oh. She's curious. She wants to know. Look at her. Look at this. Look at this guy. They need a little bigger space than what they got. Especially with the other one. Coming. They are not weapons. They are for the birds.